Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I am showing you one Halloween theme card using the Boo Dance Party die and glimmer plate. So the glimmer plate I used is the hypnotic background. So that's that main image that's on the card right now. So that was a foiled image that was used with gold foiling and black paper. I'm also showing the haunted house, which is right there in orange, and that haunted house die comes with a couple different little things to add to the house. So we have a little staircase, we have a moon, there's bats that come with it, little ghosts, and I think that's it. So I'm choosing to use just the ghosts on this card, and I have another video where I'm using just the bats. So this is kind of the boolicious card, if you will. The sentiment that I have there that says "Have a boolicious day" is from another glimmer pack, if you will, from Spellbinders, and I think it came out in 2020, and it's called Spooky Greetings. So it has kind of some funny little Halloween sayings like "Have a boolicious day, baddie for you, creep it real, booyah," and then just "Happy Halloween." So I kind of was a little too excited, and I didn't think about placing my sentiment at all on my front of my card. So I ended up putting my sentiment "Have a boolicious day" on the inside of the card, which is fine. It just wasn't really my original plan, but sometimes you have to make it work with crafting. Now with the orange house, you can see there on the back, I just put some black paper behind the house, and this was mostly just to fill in those window areas. You could inlay the windows if you wanted with the black little pieces of paper. I actually did that in my other card that I took the orange windows from this house and put it in a black haunted house. So just to kind of change it up and not throw away my little scraps. I'm just going to take some foam tape. Now this was left over from a card kit of the month that I just happened to have this little scrap of foam on my desk. So I just reached for this, and I'm going to put the foam everywhere except where the fences are on the sides of the house, because I don't want the foam to show through. If you had black foam, that would be perfect for an occasion like this. I did not even think about it at the time when I was making it, so maybe for another time, but maybe I could even go back and stick that in with some tweezers. We'll see. But I really think they'll be okay without the foam too, because they're pretty short and I don't think they'll fold too much. But really the foam is just for a little bit of interest and dimension for the card. Making Halloween cards is kind of a new concept for me. I haven't really made them in past years, but I found it kind of interesting to try it out this year. So I would like to know if you are typically making Halloween cards for Halloween time. I just haven't really heard too much about it in the crafting world. I know that there are stamps and dies and glimmers that come out each year, but I haven't really heard of it myself too much. So I want to know, do you make Halloween cards or not? Just wondering. I put my little stairs on there kind of crooked to kind of go with the spooky feel of the card. And all I have left now is to put on my little ghosts and put that sentiment on the inside of my card. And for whatever reason, I thought my jewel picker was my double-sided tweezers, so my little ghost fell, but it's okay. If you liked this video, I would love to know, what was your favorite part? Was it the glimmer? Was it the house? Was it the little ghosts? Was it the funny sentiment? I'd love to know. Also, if you've liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for future videos. I would love to kind of keep making this crafty content, and to do that, it really helps if you subscribe and like the video if you liked the video. So please do that, and consider leaving me a comment about those Halloween cards. I'm very curious. So, all right, have a wonderful day, and I hope that you get to craft soon.